Guys, what's up? Kirby Smith Lightspeed Construction here on a Friday afternoon with Jennifer.
I came to pay my bill, or my mother's bill.
I cornered you.
Yes,
right?
he's forcing me to
Could you
do a
leave right now?
announcement.
Yeah, you could leave right now.
I got a dog in the car,
It made me. There's a dog in the car. Oh my
yes.
gosh, you're making
So
me
let
feel
me
so bad.
let me talk fast. Lightspeed Construction. I've used them several times. They've always been very good at what they do. I've called other companies. They fix things. They didn't fix it completely. Lightspeed would come and repair what other companies had done, and so I only use Lightspeed.
So there's bees, bugs, leaks, squirrels.
Squirrels.
Am I missing anything here that we've not fixed?
do you remember
Bees,
when
bugs, leaks, squirrels.
And the first time was a closet,
Closet.
and somehow it was leaking into the closet. It was just a weird place on the roof.
Get the leaks out of the closet.
Yes,
Yeah,
nobody
yeah.
else
So we
could
did
do
that too.
Nobody
Yeah.
else could do that except them. So
We don't want no water in our closets, right? That's gonna make the clothes smell bad.
No, and it was a closet that I really didn't go into very frequently, so it was like, is it still leaking?
Oh,
my
no.
gosh.
I hope it didn't ruin too many clothes or nothing like that.
No,
Okay, well that's good.
it was the kids' closet. Nobody cares about their stuff. But.
Well, thank you so much for stopping by. Any of your family members that ever need this, and we'll be sure and send this over to you as well. I know Fred's got some information on your project, and we'll document everything. Thank you so much, Jennifer, for speaking to our audience.
I don't know if you could hear me with the mask, but
yeah, you're all good. We appreciate you being safe and using us as your vendor. So happy to help in the future.
And I did get a discount for this, right?
Oh Lord, yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
Okay.